Today, I am talking about something that could save your life or life of someone you love. Breast cancer awareness. This is just another health talk. This is serious and it affects millions of women worldwide. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do to protect yourself and those around you. I will try to explain it to you step by step about cancer. What is breast cancer? Breast cancer occurs when abnormal cells in a women's breast grow uncontrollably. If you are not detected early, it can spread to other parts of the body. But here is the key thing. You need to know early detection makes all the difference. Don't wait until you feel something unusual. Schedule your the screenings regularly. Prevention is always better than cure. Early detection, what you need to know. Now let's talk about how you can detect breast cancer early and improve your chances of survival. Here I will try to explain it the through 4 steps. Step number 1, perform regular self-examination every month. Take a few minutes to check your breast, feel for lumps and look for any changes in size, shape or texture. If something does not seem right, don't wait, see a doctor immediately. Make it habit. Set a reminder on your phone so you never forget to check or do a regular self-examination. You know your body best. This is why doing a self-breast exam once a month can be the life savings. How to do it? Stand in front of a mirror. Check for any changes in size, shape or color. Then gently feel your breast with your fingers to see if there are any the unusual lumps for hard area. Make this a monthly habit. It can take a few minutes but can help you detect change early. Step number 2, schedule regular mammograms. If you are a woman over 40, schedule a mammogram every from 1 to 2 years. This is simple. X-ray can detect cancer before you even feel lumps. If breast cancer runs in your family, talk to your doctor about starting the screening earlier. If you are nervous about mammograms, bring a friend or family members for support. You are not alone in this. Step number 3, watch for symptoms. Besides lumps, beware of nipple discharge, skin dimpling, swelling, pain or the redness. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't ignore them. Get checked immediately. Pay attention to changes in your body. Your body often gives a warning sign. Don't ignore them. Step number 4, understand the genetic risks. If you have a family history, breast cancer genetic testing might help them determine your risk level. Talk to healthcare provider about whether this is right to for you. The knowledge is power. If you know this risk, you can take the protective steps to reduce it. Remember, early detection increases survival rates by up to the 90%. Risk factor, what is puts women at risk. Now let's discuss these risk factors. Some are beyond you the control, but other you can manage. Uncontrollably risk factors. Age, the older you get, higher your risk. Most cases occur after age 50. Family history, if your mother, sister, grandmother had breast cancer, your risk is higher. Hormonal factor, the starting the menstruation before age 12 or menopause after age 55 slightly increase your risk. Dense breast tissue, this can make it is harder to detect abnormalities on a mammograms. Lifestyle risk factor, this you can control. Diet and weight. A diet high in the processed food, sugar and unhealthy fats increases your risk. The physical inactivity. A sedentary lifestyle raises your chances of the developing breast cancer. Smoking, alcohol, the consumption, heavy alcohol intake and smoking significantly increase your risk. Exposure to the radiation and chemicals. Prolonged exposure to harmful chemical make contribution to breast cancer. While you cannot control everything, small lifestyle changes can make a big difference. Take change of your health. Now I will try to explain to the audience how to reduce breast cancer receptor, how women can reduce this risk. Here where you take control, there are simple the effective steps you can take today to lower your risk of the breast cancer. Step number 1, maintain a healthy diet. Eat plenty of the fruits, vegetable, whole grains and lean proteins. Reduce the processed food and sugar intake. A Mediterranean diet rich in nuts, fish and olive oil has been linked to lower cancer risk. Consider adding this to the meals. Step number 2, stay active. Just 30 minutes of exercise a day, walking, dancing, cycling or yoga can help lower your risk. Find an activity you enjoy. When you love what you do, it won't feel like exercise. Step number 3, limit alcohol, the quiet smoking. If you drink, limit yourself to one drink per day or less. You smoke, it is time to quit smoking. One of the biggest risk factor, the quitting smoking, it is easy but support groups, nicotine patches and the consoling can help. Take to one step at a time. Step number 4, the manage stress. Get enough sleep. Chronic stretch and lack of the sleep weakening of the immune system. Aim for from 7-9 hours of sleep every night. Try to meditation, deep breathing and simply taking work outside to reduce stretch. Step number 5, get regular checkup. Even if you feel like trying, schedule regular doctor visits early. The detection saves lives. Don't skip you the appointments, put them in your calendar and treat them in essential as any other commitment. Step number 6, consider the breastfeeding if possible. For new mothers, breastfeeding has been shown to lower risks of the breast cancer. So if you can, it may be the beneficial. If you were struggling with the breastfeeding, seek help from a lactation. The consultant support is available. Breast cancer is real, but you have to the power to take action. The more you spread awareness, the more lives you can save. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to share and subscribe. Let's make breast cancer awareness is a priority, not just in November, but every single day. You love yourself, right? Then take care of yourself too. Beware, get checked and spread the message. If this video helped you, please share it to them. It might help save someone. Life's awareness is powerful. Let's use it, make a difference.